Good morning. We are in Harvey still, but the weather was miserable this morning, so I left it. I spent it here in the van because I didn't feel like walking in the rain. So I've got a few things I've got to get done, but it's not until next week. So I'm thinking about doing a road trip simply because I don't want to waste all my time just sitting here, to be honest. I could go away for a few days and just do some touring. It's not a stupid idea. I just need to know whether I go north or south. Don't know. At the moment, I don't know. Anyway, the van. Welcome to the van. Welcome to this morning. I have had a very, very late start. It's actually afternoon. I'm not going to lie. Just is. All right, let's go do something. Let's go see if we can find some people. We're in the Mercado in the old town, so I'm going to give you a look, but we've been having a few vinos. Be fair, but let's have a quick look, shall we? So this is a really old building. That was beautiful art. How gorgeous is that? By the way, can't go close to that because it's death by sweets, but so anyway, that's what we're doing. I'm just having a bit of a drink with Rosa. She's on the loo, and we timed it badly because she's heading out to her trip. Front, right? Front, right? Now, yeah. Ready? Ready? Watch this. Ready?
I
have a great chin until I turn sideways. I'm gonna walk through.
From here?
No. It's Rosa.
No.
We're in the old town. The Roses. I'm out with Rose. Rosa. We're in the Mercado, and we're having a few drinks. Gracias, chica. That's what I'm doing. Just chilling out, enjoying my day. Oh, look at that. Timing. So pretty here. Look at that. Right, my girl. I'm going to walk that way. Yeah. I shall see you. Hang on.
See you.
This is my little sister.
Bye.
I like that street there. So it's just super pretty, right? I do. I love walking around the Pueblo. Because I need to charge the batteries. Lifestyle batteries. Look at the water. Beautiful. Hey, might get my feet a bit wet here. And stay as close to the edge as we can. Because we're around here. It's La Baraka. It's actually open. That's crazy. Look at this side. So today I thought I'd run down to Calpe. This is simply stunning, right? That is the Ithac. So yeah, that is the sister rock to the Rock of Gibraltar. It's Calpe Ithac. Stunning, stunning place. Look at that, yum. So I just had some lunch, well actually it was breakfast, and I cheated and had a bit of bread, which I'll regret later, but look at this. The weather's coming in though. Trying to decide if I go down to further down south. There's a little village. It's not a village, it's a little seaside town that's quite pretty. Or I stay around this area for a bit, but the problem with staying around this area for a bit is the weather, to be honest. Anyway, let's head out because I couldn't pay for parking and I'm not sure if they're going to find me for it. So let's get out here. All right. You won't see this beach like this very often. I can give you the hot tip. So this is Calpe. I'll go that way. So that there is the Ithac. Let's see if I can go in. There you go. So
exit the roundabout onto Avenida de los Ejércitos Españoles.
I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but the lake on this side,
meters, at
the lake on that side has
straight to stay on Avenida de los Ejércitos Españoles.
Has flamingos in it. You just see them in the corner. So, but anyway, we are heading to Villajoisa. Change lanes. There's so many cyclists. It's crazy. But anyway, you stay where you are, buddy. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a little glimpse of Calpe. It's all very easy to drive down here. You just have to remember am I going straight? Yeah. You just have to remember to stay on the right side of the road, basically.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Avenida de los Ejércitos
I saw you, mate, but over there's Benidorm. Look at the weather. So we're in Villajoisa, and this is what people come to Villajoisa for. Oh, the colours. Go a bit closer. Weather is terrible, by the way. But this is so cute. Winter is it's not too hard to get parks because I'm in something that can't go on the ground because it's too tall. And they don't tell you in Spain the height of the parking either, which to me is a little bit of a problem, obviously, because this van I'm in here is almost as tall as the one I have in Australia. So, but anyway, that's it. I pulled up in Calpe. I've got 40 seconds left before I've got to start doing some videos, but this is at the moment. It's a little park. There's the other side. There seems to be a lot of campers here, so there's a lake over there where the flamingos play. We'll go over there and have a look later. But yeah, pretty cool. My sleeping spot for the night. I've got the door open because it's a bit warm. Well, that's a bit. But yeah, this is my house at night with the pretty wildflowers. Some random decorations. All good. Comfort. Good morning. I have had a pretty good sleep last night. Anyway, good morning. We are in Calpe still. Stayed overnight in their little park area, that free park area that's got nothing in it basically. So just making myself my breakfast. So I'm going to pause you while I zap this because it's noisy. But I found this absolutely stupid cup that I've fallen in love with. It's so stupid. I love it. Anyway. Good morning. I'm in bed mode at this moment with the camper. So I've got to roll it up and get ready to go. So the first thing we do, I put a second mattress on this. Excuse my butt. I'm just going to have to deal with it. We roll up. Then we pull. Where are you? Alright. And spit up. Like so. And that is seat mode. And that's it. And then I pulled out all the blinds. So that is welcome to the camper in seating mode. I suppose I should show you what I'm living in. Ready? This is it. Just got to take it to the bath. It got a bit dirty coming in here. This is where I'm staying at the moment. Free camp. So inside here is, forget about the front. So in here is the stove and cooker. Hang on, let me just pause. So in here is the sink and the cooker. The front chair does turn around, but I can't be bothered doing that. That's the baby loo. Now up there's another bed that can pull down and become a second bed. And then this here is the fridge. And over the back is the bedding for this bed. I just roll it up each day. So, and that's pretty much it. Right now I've got to put this down because I want to go for a walk. And then I want to take off. As I said, I'm standing up. I can't reach. Look, I can't reach the top. So I'm not tall, let's face it. But yeah, this will be interesting. First time getting it down. I put it up to air it out. All right, let's do this. That was a mission. I just put down the top, and you'll have to watch the YouTube video to watch that because it was just a mission. But Also, you know, I have one shoulder that doesn't work properly, so always good. But now we're going for a walk. And that's what she looks like down. Pretty much same thing. I definitely need to give her a bath. Good spot. I'll probably come back here, to be honest, and stay another night. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Next week